So how much Bitcoin did I earn for the month of January? And how is the recent Bitcoin crash affecting my earnings? Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. This is another video, part of the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge, where we are attempting to go from 0 to 1 Bitcoin this year. And as you can see, I'm tracking everything in a spreadsheet, how much Bitcoin I have earned for each month, and hopefully by the end of the year we are going to have one whole Bitcoin. If you are interested in this journey, make sure to press the like button and subscribe to the channel. And now let me show you exactly how much Bitcoin I have earned so far. So at the end of last year, we have earned a total of $5,374.17 worth of Bitcoin. The two ways that I'm earning most of this Bitcoin is through the GoMining platform and through the Gemini Bitcoin Credit Card that pays you back in crypto on every single purchase. I have been utilizing both of those methods and I have been accumulating a decent amount of crypto. And when we look at the previous months, you will see the first month that I started this challenge, I only made $72 worth of Bitcoin. The next month I made $47. The following month I made $431. The month after I made $1,225. October was my biggest month. I made over $2,200 worth of Bitcoin. November, $734. And for the month of December, I made $1,372 worth of Bitcoin. So for the month of January on the GoMining platform, I managed to earn 0.0043738 worth of Bitcoin. And with the Gemini credit card, I earned 0.01310941. That brings my total to just over $1,004.64. And our grand total so far is $5,904.56 worth of Bitcoin. As you can see, not a big jump from the previous month of December. Even though we earned more Bitcoin in the month of January than we did in December, the price of Bitcoin has gone down big time, especially over the last week or so. That is why the value has gone down, even though we have earned more Satoshis. And even if the price of Bitcoin continues to crash, it will just speed up my journey to earning one whole Bitcoin, especially with the Gemini credit card, where I earn up to 4% cash back in crypto. My favorite thing about the Gemini credit card is that they pay you a percentage. So for example, at the gas station, I'm earning 4% back in Bitcoin. So if the price of Bitcoin continues to go lower and lower, the amount of Satoshis that I'll be earning will be much higher and higher. And then once the price of Bitcoin recovers, the Satoshis that I have accumulated with the Gemini credit card will be worth a lot more money. So when the price of Bitcoin crashes, I'm not worried at all. It actually helps me with this challenge. Obviously, I do not plan on making $1 million with Bitcoin overnight. My plan is to accumulate one entire Bitcoin. And I do honestly believe the price of Bitcoin will be much higher 5-10 years from now. I'm thinking $500,000, maybe even $1 million 10 years from now. That is why these temporary crashes, pullbacks, whatever you want to call them, do not affect my strategy whatsoever. And now let's talk about another way that I'm earning Bitcoin, and it is with the GoMining platform. This video is brought to you by I Trust Capital. Are you tired of tax headaches every time you buy and sell crypto? Imagine stacking up for your retirement on your terms. With I Trust Capital, you can buy and sell crypto, even gold and silver, inside a tax advantage IRA 24/7. Roll over an old 401k or open a traditional or a Roth in minutes. Keep everything in one dashboard and use the institutional grade custody with straightforward fees. So if you plan on investing in crypto for the long term and you want to take advantage of all the tax benefits, you got to get yourself a I Trust Capital account. If you use the link in the description box below and you fund your account, you are going to get a $100 bonus. What are you waiting for? Check out I Trust Capital. As you can see, I currently have 365 terahashes, and these are my Bitcoin miners. Every single day, these miners earn me Bitcoin that I can cash out into my cold storage wallet. When it comes to mining Bitcoin on the GoMining platform, the price of Bitcoin definitely affects your earnings. So if there's a major crash in the price of BTC, best believe your Bitcoin earnings will be affected. But so far, even when Bitcoin is trending lower, I have not seen a major crash in my Bitcoin earnings on the platform. So I will continue to upgrade, continue to invest, and grow my daily passive income. And now let's do an upgrade on my greedy machine. As you can see, they still have the 10% off, and they will have this 10% off as long as Bitcoin is under $100,000. So this is a great time to take advantage of the discounts to upgrade your miner. So I currently have just over 500 GoMining tokens. We can get this upgrade right here, 5.15 terahashes, or we can get a little bit more. Let's go for 8 terahashes. For 8 terahashes, that will cost me 458.44 GoMining tokens, and I will have a little bit left over for maintenance fees. That will also increase the power of my greedy machine from 242.81 terahashes to 250.82. Not bad at all. The ROI is 28.73%, and that will increase my daily payout with this miner from $8.53 to $8.81 worth of Bitcoin every day. So we are going to press pay. We are going to confirm, and within a matter of seconds, our miner is upgraded. Now we got even more power, even more terahashes, so I can earn even more Bitcoin. I will have a link to GoMining in the description box below, and I will have a link for the Gemini credit card. If you use it, you'll be able to get up to $250 bonus in crypto. So definitely take advantage of that free money. All right, everybody. So that concludes this quick little upgrade on the 0 to 1 Bitcoin challenge. Make sure to press the like button, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video. Peace out.